Lesson number 8, adjectives. First of all, we need to know what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe or tell us more about nouns and pronouns. For example, Ramola is a beautiful lady. Naseem is a young girl. In the above sentences, beautiful and young describe Ramola and Naseem, which are nouns. So, beautiful and young are adjectives. Okay? So, Ramola and Naseem are nouns, and the words beautiful and young are describing about Ramola and Naseem. So, beautiful and young are the adjectives. In the first question, we have to underline the adjectives. The garden looks colorful in the spring. Colorful is the adjective. She is a science teacher. She is a teacher, but of which subject? Science. So, science is adjective. The lion is a ferocious animal. Ferocious is the adjective. It was a difficult problem. Which kind of problem? Difficult. So, difficult is adjective. The soldier was brave. Brave is the adjective. My sister is an air hostess. Air hostess is the adjective. Which umbrella belongs to my friend? My is the adjective here. Always eat healthy food. Which kind of food? Healthy food. Therefore, healthy is the adjective here. In second question, we have to find out the suitable adjective for the given sentences from this help box. I was amused by his praise. Amused means surprised. The dog was very alert. It was a bright and sunny day. The students were naughty and noisy. The porter could not pick up the heavy baggage. The boy performed a daring act in the circus. His favorite hobby is playing cards. My father finds this chair comfortable. So these are the various adjectives we have used to complete these sentences. Now coming to the various kinds of adjective. So first one is descriptive or adjectives of quality. For example, ugly, fat, lovely, short, round, etc. All these words come in adjectives of quality. How many and in what order gives us adjective of number. Few, all, many, 2, 3, 8, fifth, any numbers. These come in adjective of number. How much, more, less, some, many, any. All these comes in adjective of quantity, which you can't count. Okay, which ones demonstrative adjectives when we which we use to point out anything? This, these, that, those, etc. In question number 1, in the quick activity, we have to underline the adjective, and after that we have to mention the kind of adjective. The first sentence is already done for us. This dress looks pretty. Pretty is the adjective and the kind is quality. Do we have some peanut butter? It is some is the adjective of quantity. She is in the 5th grade. 5th is the adjective of number. Divya is reading a very interesting book. Very is adjective of quantity. Many people went to see the play comes in adjective of quantity. Riya's school is 4 kilometers away and it comes in adjectives of number. Color these picture comes in demonstrative adjectives. Now the degrees of adjective. First one is positive degree and there is no comparison in this degree. For example, the girl is ugly, it is a rainy day. Second is comparative degree. In this we compare any two things. We compare two things. Sunny is taller than Winnie. John is younger than Paul. In superlative degree, we compare one thing with so many things. We compare any one noun or pronoun with so many nouns and pronouns. The red bag is the heaviest of all. Mango is the tastiest of all fruits. In question number 4, we have to add more with the comparative degree and most with the superlative degree. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Learned, more learned, most learned. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. We have added more with the comparative degrees and we have added most with the superlative degrees.